Kadlur district from Tamil Nadu. So I completed my schooling in Neyveli and in Namakkal district. And then I joined BE degree in JPR Engineering College, and I got placed in a startup company called Adi Solar Solutions. So there I placed in the role of project engineer. After that, I got an opportunity from NLC India Limited for the post of GAT. Currently, I got placed in a Tata Elxsi as a role of EV system engineer, which was referred from the skilling. I searched a lot about what are all the kind of opportunities in the electrical field that I have to work for. Then only I got a link from the internet, and in my Instagram profile also I got to know about skilling. By that time I contacted skilling and asked for about what are the courses they are offering, like that kind of things I got from the skilling. The first course was a basic simulating for mechanical and electrical engineers. So in that itself we have great knowledge about MATLAB and simulating. After that, introduction to HEV using MATLAB and simulating. In that course itself, we get a clear knowledge about what is hybrid electric vehicles, what are all the types of electric vehicles in the market now, and how are all they implemented, and which are all the companies that are implementing like that. After that was controls to the HEV. In that part, we get a great knowledge about power converters that are used and control mechanisms that are used, like PID controllers, inverters, and power controllers that are covered in this topic. Each and every courses we have to complete weekly challenges like that, and we have to do some projects in that course. After that was introduction to battery technology. It was one of the heart of this course, because batteries which are implementing for the electrical vehicles, it was a main problem in the current EV market. So it covers about what are all the problems that are occurring during selection of batteries, and what are all the battery chemistries that are used, and what are all the battery technologies that are used, and what are all the protection methods for the battery, that are all covered in this topic. So we can learn more and more about EV batteries that are used currently in the market and how they are configured like that and all. After that, instead of going purely BEV, battery electric vehicles, there is another called hybrid electric vehicles. That is fuel electric cells based on hydrogen. This was covered in this topic. How the vehicles can be run on hydrogen and how it is implemented using, and what is the use of ultra capacitor in the EVs, and the project are also related to that. How can we design the fuel cell electric vehicle using battery and ultra capacitor as a backup energy storage device. In the interview process, what they asking was about what are all the things that you know about EV, and what are all the projects that you have done in EV. So in that time, I have explained about what are the projects that I have done, like design of electrical rickshaw, and how are all the control implementation of the EV process. And I explained about my project fuel cell electric vehicle. So in that fuel cell electric vehicle, I have done a lot of research and lot of works to implement, because in the electric vehicle we are directly using only batteries, but in the fuel cell electric vehicle we are using a fuel cell as a source, and ultra capacitor as another source, and battery as another source. So I have explained about what are all the things that I have done, like mathematical modeling of the system, and mathematical control of the system, and how the forces and power and energy is distributed among these systems. So this is how my project get help in the interview, because the basic thing was they asked was only about the project and what I have done in the project. They only guided me to how to approach the project and how to do the project. Like they didn't give in detail report about the project, because we have to do the project, because that's the motive of the skilling, and we have to learn something about that. So they guided me like this is how we have to approach the project. By the time I have any doubts, they are available anytime, sir. So even it was night 9 or night 9:30 or early morning it's 6 or 7, they have assisted me to complete the project, and they have guided me. Not even the project, but also on the weekly challenges also they are assisted, like do this kind of things like that. They motivated me and to complete the project. Students have to explore more and more in the internet. that was the idea that they give to because that was the point of focus, because internet is a vast kind of thing. We can't get focus on one thing, and we can't search one thing that are related to the project and for the EV systems, because if you open the internet and you search about EV, there are a lot of things. You have to be passionate, and we have to learn what are the things that are going on around you, and what are the things, what are the technologies that are going on around you. So we have to learn about all those things, and what are all the interview point of views, and we have to learn more and more about things. If you want to start a career in your core domain, then Tata Elxsi is a great platform. Sir. You can gain a lot and lot more of experience from this company, and if you go out means you are carrying a great experience. You can get any job from any companies from this experience.